Good morning, Sir Drew. So, I begin my second day of 10,000 step. I have 17. From here at the house, I'm going out now. So, see you again later. Hello. Good morning, Sir Drew. Yeah, going up, I have 300. So, so, we're going up now to the another walking, second day of walking steps. Yeah, I will update you again later. Where to we walk up the mountain. So,
Ayan,
this is my
yan talaga
update.
i-vlog mo ate.
I have 4,000.
Akin na yung kuling.
4,000. Look. Oh. We're hiking.
Naglakad kami dito hanggang dun
Ayos oh.
Ay, napagod na kami.
Yan. Update tayo. Andito tayo sa bundok, guys. Yan oh, ang ganda dito. Yan mga bundok ang nasa paligid. Bundok pa rin doon, Sir Drew. And update, I have 4,400. See, it's very far this one. Yeah, we walk at the mountain. Yeah, I will update you again later because it's very hard to walk here, guys. It's there's a lot of stone. So I will update you again later. Yan, ando na yung mga kasama ko. So, see, I have here 6,298 right through. So let's go again. I cannot video too much because look, it's very hard to walk here. Kasi I will put crocs. My kids is falling down here. So I just walk and I'll stop to take a video. So I have here, yeah, it's a mountain. See, it's very nice here, guys. So I have 358 steps. So I will update you again later.
Tapos, alam mo yun,
I have
nakalagay dito
6,500.
25 residents.
Really?
25 lang? Basta wala pa kang 25.
25 nga residential lang ti adat to eh. Look. Still walking. So, maybe I will reach later 20,000.
Bako na dati. Ala, naganda yun.
Still walking.
Ako na rin. Siyempre, ito dati. Apa awan dia gak bumaba dia. Ada pa dito. Jadi gamba. Ada pa pa dia. You have no pants.
Update sa aking walking, Sir Drew, is 7,160. So, we are here, look. Beautiful places. Oh, there's it's very nice. Look. Oh, we could swim here. Wow, ang ganda-ganda maligo dito, guys. Ayun sa maligo. We are here at the mountain. Ayan, tignan niyo si Ophelia. Umiinom sa ano eh. Ganda yung tubig dyan. Clear. Minumang man. Pahawak man dito. Agi naman video anak. Sikat itong siya ko kasama.
Bakit dalawang camera? One, dua.
Ay.
Dual kay
Nag-implan na. Parang ano, mineral siya. Sarap. Hindi pwede, diba? Look, there's duck swimming. Then, and there's turkey. Yeah, there's a turkey here. Oh. Oh, there's the dog. I'm still walking through. I don't know how many my steps now. It's far pa. Malayo pa yung lalakaran namin. I will complete now the 10,000 step if we arrive there. Oh, where's my phone? Wait. Oh, here. I will check. Oh, it's 7,988. Oh. Going papunta pa lang yan, guys. Sa farm. We're going to farm only. We're going to farm because it's a mountain here. It's very far walking. See? So I reached 10,000 when we arrived there at wow, look, there's a pomelo. Yeah, let's go walk again until
you raise your
they're
own
at the farm.
veg.
Yeah. 8,364. We're still here at the mountain. Look, it's very nice. Yeah. Ang ganda dito, guys. Sir Drew, I have 8,000 na. See, still walking. Yeah, let's go. Still walking. Exactly the challenge, Sir Drew. Let's go. I will update you again later. It's hot, Sir Drew. We're still 9,894. It's almost 10,000. But it's still walking. See, it's very far. It's very far. Just like we hiking. We are in the mountain. Look. It's so hot. Yeah, it's hot now. So, see. There, the mountain is there. Yeah, I will do a double vision. So, yeah, you can see, still walking. Ay, I am 9,900. See? 9,973. It's very long. How many hours yeah, just like 3 hours walking in the mountain. So, I got the 10,000 steps already. I got 10,000 steps already, Sir Drew. It's very hot. Yeah, I will update you again later when we are in the farm. Maybe it's very far pa. Kapagod. Pangato. Narigat. Ang hirap ng daan. Magnak. Kapagod. Naka 11,000. Yeah. I have 11,000. Wait. See. 11,000, Sir Drew. So tired. Look. The farm is still there. Oh. It's very dangerous here. Yeah. Look. Yeah. My other friends still there at my back. The others is there already. I have 11,000. Oh. This is going to farm. We're here now at the farm. Tomato. farm. Yeah, so tired. I already got, what's this? 11. Did you see? Here. 11,162. Look, it's a mountain. Look, sir. So tired. This is the tomato farm. Where is the? Yeah, I'll see you again later. We are here now, Sir Drew. I got 11,400. See? Challenge. What's that? Yeah, it's already. Look, we are in the mountain. It's very nice here. We are at the. There's the plant. Oh, there we harvest tomato. See, yeah. See, it's very nice. There, and others company here. It's very nice here. Yan, nandito tayo sa farm. Magpipitas na tayo ng kamatis. Ayan. Pitas tayo kamatis. Farm. Sorry, true. See, we walk here at the mountain, picking tomato. There's Achi. Shakira is here. See, it is very white. I have 11,500. Look. See, there's a lot of tomato until they're down. So to I have 11,800. Walking while picking tomato. See, it's tomato farm. Kambing, ang dami. Kambing, sarap. Dami yung doon isang kaldero. Dito kami sa ano Felix. Ay, naghalabis kami ng tomato. Yan, Sir Drew update. 12,000, but we still here in the mountain. Yeah, we walk 3 hours again. So maybe I will reach 20,000. Let's see. It's very nice here. It's the tomatoes plant. We pick a tomato. I will update you later, Sir Drew. We're done picking tomato. We're gonna home now. We walk again. Look, there's the tomato. It's done. So we walk again. Yeah, I will update you when I get home. Thank you so much. Yeah, we're going back home. So Drew, I cannot take video because I cannot. I just take video like this and going back. Yan. Nakauwi na ako galing sa Felix. Kapagod yung maglakad sa bundok. Pero mo 3 hours and a half yung lakad. So, ito po yung aking update sa aking 10,000 steps, Sir Drew. I have 18,495 steps. So, this is my second day challenge. Yeah, second day challenge accepted. Yeah, thank you.